Hello, welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 184. This was the 2nd of March 2023, Thursday. So I did exercise on the treadmill, and then I worked on books, Remote Wellness Academy, and insurance, and also did some writing for my book. And my daily gratitude for the day is I'm grateful for a gentleman who turned me on to a new company that I'm going to be starting with soon. It's an inexpensive company and looks like it's going to be very profitable. So I'm grateful for the information, and I'm grateful for the opportunity and to learn about this company and potentially make some money. So I'm grateful that he shared it with me. It is a good idea. And I'm grateful for all the other content creators who are creating content around that idea. So I'll be sharing more details about that here soon, but I'm grateful to participate in that and have that opportunity to do this again, commit myself to a new endeavor and do this again. So like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Talk to you tomorrow.